Thank you for choosing Architectural Mall. This quick tutorial will guide you through installing balusters on angled areas. A PDF version of this guide is also available on our website. Unload and unpack your order. Make sure all the parts and pieces are there. Make sure everything is stored on a solid, flat surface. Use cardboard to create a template of your radius rail. Position the template on the ground where the rail will go. You may need to slide it under the newel posts. Mark the template at the post locations where cuts will be needed. Use a combination square, level, or T-bevel square to measure the angle between the newel posts and the ground. Cut the cardboard template at the marked post locations, then transfer those marks onto your rails. Mark and cut both the top and bottom rails to the correct length and angle. On the rails, mark the spacing for your balusters. Drill holes in the rails using the appropriate drill bit size. Place the bottom rail on spacers between the posts. Determine the angle between the posts and the rail and transfer that angle to your balusters. For flat level sections nearby, cut the plinths on both the top and bottom to ensure uniform size. Cut each baluster plinth 4 times as needed, but avoid cutting the center PVC or metal pipe. If necessary, trim the pipe to ensure the baluster fits into the rails. Leave enough pipe to attach firmly. Set all the balusters in place and attach the top rail. Caulk all connections, including balusters to rails and rails to posts, for a secure fit. For more details on setting posts, installing caps, or other products, check out video 1, which is a complete, full-length tutorial video in this series on our YouTube channel. We also have additional installation videos that you can explore on our channel as well. This concludes the guide on how to install balusters on angled areas. Again, thank you for considering our products for your project.